Namaskaram, this is Himakant, founder of Him Life School. Today I'm here to talk about Manju Balashri, our super student. And she's a special super student because of two reasons. We had an experience of working with her as a colleague and working with her intensively in helping that preparation process. Now, there are two things which any individual have to build. How do we work for something which belongs to us, working on our own goals? And how do we work along with someone? Now here I'm talking about your capacity as a coach, mentor. So Manju had the opportunity to do it the inverse way. Probably she first started with the mentor capacity for other student, and then subsequently she came and joined us for an offline program. There are three characteristic traits which makes her a great value addition to any organization. The first one is she has the ability to trust. So a lot of people find it hard to trust others, but Manju, when she goes through a basic process and once she understands the other person is logical or rational or whatever reasons maybe, once she trusts, she definitely trusts. And number two, once she trusts, she's very obedient. She generally listens to the person whom she trusts, or listens to the process, or just follows the process which is given to us. So in these two aspects, it will be easier for whoever is working with her to implement what they want to implement without a lot of resistance. So these two characteristics or two attributes actually makes it easy for someone to work with her. And the third important skill is her ability to pick up things at a very fast rate, because there are two or three instances where I had to give her challenging context which she never had an idea, which she never got exposed, but she was quickly able to jump out of her comfort zone and adapt to the situation and start acting upon the task immediately. So that way, once again, it has been a pleasure working with her in multiple capacities. So I strongly recommend Manju to be hired by any organization. And most importantly, she's already a qualified lawyer and she's in her CA finals. I'm expecting positive results this time. So that way, this is about Manju, and most importantly, she is also the face of our super student. Some of you might have already saw her in YouTube videos and other contexts. So that way she's quite popular, and she is good at helping others also learn things faster apart from she learning things. So Manju, this is what I understood about you, and how do you feel connected when you're defined as a super student?
I feel great coming from your end because it's very hard to please sir. He can get disappointed very easily. And coming from you, it means a lot because as my mentor, I try all the time to, get things done, and I need your approval in certain things, and getting your approval always feels good.
Yeah, in a real-time context, we always want to level up the benchmark. Now, once you reach a particular benchmark, we raise the bar. We keep raising the bar. The best part is you're leveling up. Otherwise, we just say that, okay, you're fine, you're good, which you're picking up. So that's in the positive connotation. But even otherwise, now I think you also understand how we can add value. Like I find you far more clear, far more confident. So that way, yes, great job. So, and most importantly, for the further endeavors, further decisions and everything. So trust yourself, trust your instincts. You'll reach where you wanted to reach. All the very best.
Thank you, sir.